Follow these steps to join FIFA World Cup 2026 TikTok Hub. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, head over to the homepage. Now, click on the search icon. In the search box, type in World Cup and search for it. Tap the large official event banner pinned at the very top of the search results to enter the interactive hub. Inside the hub, tap the profile frame menu, choose your favorite participating country's flag layout and select Use Now to instantly apply a dedicated tournament border to your profile picture. You can navigate to Match the Challenge tab inside the hub, completing simple missions such as watching 3 tournament clips or sharing a video, unlocks exclusive filters and permanent account badges. Because TikTok is an official partner, the hub offers a curated media section featuring exclusive training sessions, press conferences, and pitch side perspectives captured by TikTok's 30 official global creator correspondents. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.